So today on this Mother's Day, continuing the topic of Buddha nature, I'll offer the reflection, that mother is not only the traditional sense, but also a deeper spirit of mothering itself, right? And there's mothers who give birth, right? There's also those who nurture, who guide, encourage, protect, teach, comfort, and love. Right? For people who mother children, friends, communities, animals, the earth itself. Right? And some do this through presence, some mother through listening, and some through sacrifice and care. All of the above. I think many of us have been shaped by people who are not our biological mothers, right? But love us in mothering ways. Right? And as I stated earlier, the Buddha said in the Metta Sutra, just as a mother would protect her only child with her life, even so, let one cultivate a boundless love towards all beings. And this really points to that inherent quality we all have within us to care deeply for life, irregardless. There's a somewhat famous Buddhist story about a man, a poor man carrying a priceless jewel that was sewn into his garment. And he did not know it was put there. And he lived his entire life as a poor person, not knowing that literally within an article that he owned was this priceless gem. Right? And that's really what this nurturing capacity that we all have is like. It's this uncovered gem. Sometimes we can underestimate how even the quietest, the simplest act of care can shape us, shape the world around us. Right? Preparing a meal for somebody, offering a little bit of encouragement, checking in on somebody, right? Simply listening, simply being present. That's enough. Right? Those things, they may be small, they're very transformative. Emma Shodron writes, compassion is not a relationship between the healer and the wounded. It's a relationship between equals. Really, mothering in a larger sense isn't about perfection of any kind. It's about presence, about showing up. These teachings of the Buddha nature, they again remind us that this compassion is not something outside of us. It's something that we all have rooted within us. Right? Like that lotus, right? That seed is there. It's been hiding in the mud. Just using the practice to show itself. So for today's reflection, for the balance of the practice, I'll offer you whether you're a parent or not, But perhaps we can honor those who have mothered us, those we have mothered, and those nurturing qualities that are within us. I'll offer that for the balance of the practice today.